I will show you how to fix disable accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. There are many reasons why you might have this problem, but here are the major ones. Maybe he or she might have repeated offenses or ignored warnings, severe violations of community guidelines or terms of use. But here's the catch. They might also access back the accounts and you still experience the same problem. You can't reach them out. Now here are 5 best steps to take and solve this issue in case that happens. Now the first solution is to update your Instagram application. Now in case you're using outdated Instagram application, open your Play Store or App Store, then search for the Instagram application, then make sure you update it. Then the next step, you need to try sending messages to that disabled account. In case if that doesn't work, the second solution is to block and unblock the disabled account. Now to do so, open your Instagram application, head over to messages, then open the chat, then tap on the name here at the top, then tap on those 3 dots, then select block, then confirm the blocking. Now you need to wait for some few minutes, then you go ahead and unblock the account. Then now you can try sending messages to this disabled account. Now in case if that doesn't work, the third solution is to restrict and unrestrict the disabled account. Now to do so, open your Instagram application once more, then open the chat, tap on name here at the top, now tap on those 3 dots, then select restrict. So now you need to wait for some few minutes, then you go back to Instagram application, then you unrestrict the account. So after doing that, you can try sending messages to the disabled account. Now in case if this doesn't work, the fourth solution is to delete messages and unfollow the disabled account. Then you can go ahead and try sending messages to that disabled account. Now in case if that doesn't work, the fifth solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application, and this time you should be able to send messages to the disabled account. So that's how to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. So if you found this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.